live in a world full of information. Images, news and messages are constantly broadcasted and shared around the world. Content from all kinds of different sources, in all kinds of different languages. All this information is easily available to all of us at any time, all at the power of our fingertips, thanks to the internet and modern technology. But does availability really mean that everyone can form a concise and complete picture, or are we just overwhelmed? How do we choose what's really important? This is the big question for all users, but professional information seekers in particular. In comes MULTISENSOR, an EU-funded innovative research and development project. For the last 3 years, we have been applying the latest in language technology, from semantic analysis and concept detection to sentiment analysis and machine learning, to come up with a solution for this problem. We focused our work on 3 use cases. Meet our protagonists: the journalists, the media monitors, and the local small and medium enterprises. Let's have a look at how MULTISENSOR can help them. Meet our journalist Marissa. She covers the topic of energy policy in Europe for a large media outlet. Her editors expect her to deliver a concise and complete picture of the whole situation. With sharp deadlines and the large amount of information coming in from all over Europe, it's not an easy task for Marissa. With MULTISENSOR, she can quickly search for a topic she's interested in. The autocomplete feature and the entity-based filtering allow her to quickly narrow down the number of results. Automatic summarization and machine translation enable her to quickly scan through the results, even if they are in a language she doesn't speak. For a final decision on what to choose, the system offers her even more in-depth analysis methods like concept and entity extraction, as well as related articles. Our media monitor Clara is in a similar situation. Her clients expect her to filter and sort through a lot of complex information to find relevant pieces and to discover trends and influences for their brands. They want concise reports on a daily basis, covering as many topics and languages as possible. How does Clara make out what and who is really important? Again, MULTISENSOR's automatic summarization offers a real time saver, and thanks to the machine translation, Sarah is able to include languages in her research that she doesn't speak. To verify her findings, MULTISENSOR offers her a detailed visual analysis for quick review and helps her identify key influencers and possible influencer networks on Twitter. As for our successful local SME manager, he's in need of some good advice. He wants to start exporting his goods abroad, but how should he identify the right market to target? There's not much time in his daily schedule for research, and he's not an expert on EU markets. He knows the information is out there, but needs some help putting it into context. MULTISENSOR allows him to check out current media information, both summarized and translated, and have a closer look at Twitter influencers and possible product trends. A visual comparison of 2 different countries, including a decision support algorithm, make choosing a lot easier. MULTISENSOR offers a direct lineup of the important facts, including the most probable winner plus possible follow-ups. So MULTISENSOR helps all 3 of our protagonists to quickly and successfully fulfill their jobs, which makes them very happy, and of course their audiences, bosses, and customers as well. Are you wondering how MULTISENSOR can serve you beyond these examples? Much of the project's knowledge and work is freely available. There are open source code frameworks, we provide clean sample datasets, and all 3 prototypes can be publicly accessed and tested. You find all this information, the code and the datasets, but also in-depth documentation in many publications on our website under www.multisensorproject.eu. There, you can also directly connect to our social media channels. If you still want to learn more about the project or are interested in using some of our components, don't hesitate to contact our project coordinator, Surf. We'd like to thank the EU for its support in this project under the FP7 grant agreement, and we would like to thank you very much for your attention. Thanks to all partners involved for a great project.